Hi, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to be talking about these bands that come off your mason jars. These are also called rings. How do you stow these? They're always hard to stack, they're hard to put into drawers, they take up a lot of space. So we built a PVC idea how to stow these. It's very simple. Just throw it around this band here. As you can see, you can store lots of them. Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content. This is very simple to build. All it is 1-inch PVC pipe. This is a 2-foot section with a cap on the end. And then right down here, you have a 90-degree elbow on the very end there. And then on the section, small section of PVC pipe, also 1 inch, cut to roughly 2 1/4 inches long. Then you have this cap that is easily screwed into any surface like wood or any wall. It can be mounted to the ground or a side of a cabinet like this. You're going to hook it there, easy to assemble. It can be all airtight, you don't need to glue this, you can take it apart. And just like that. We'll give you the item numbers and all the details on the parts needed in the description below.
Yay! Good!
Nice! Thanks for watching this video. Remember, if you want to purchase any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.